5 mistakes to avoid if you are planning to get a divorce in Los Angeles. Experienced family law lawyer in Los Angeles can ensure that your interests are protected and that you're making informed decisions every step of the way. Divorce can be one of the most challenging experiences in a person's life. Whether you're going through it for the first time or have been through it before, the process can be emotionally taxing and legally complex, especially in a city like Los Angeles where divorce rates are high and the legal landscape can be daunting. If you're planning to file for divorce, avoiding some common mistakes can help streamline the process, protect your interests, and reduce unnecessary stress. Here are 5 key mistakes to avoid when getting a divorce in Los Angeles. 1. Failing to hire an experienced family law lawyer in Los Angeles. One of the biggest mistakes people make when going through a divorce is not hiring an experienced attorney or attempting to handle things on their own. While it may seem tempting to try and save money by going the DIY route, divorce is a complex legal process with significant financial and emotional consequences. A skilled divorce lawyer can help you navigate the legal system, explain your rights, and guide you through the paperwork and court procedures. In Los Angeles, family law cases often involve unique challenges, such as high net worth asset division, custody disputes involving multiple factors, such as shared parenting plans and child support, and navigating community property laws. Without the proper legal experience, you could end up making costly mistakes that impact your future. An experienced family law lawyer in Los Angeles can ensure that your interests are protected and that you're making informed decisions every step of the way. 2. Letting emotions guide your decisions. Divorce is inherently emotional, and it's easy to let personal feelings cloud your judgment. However, making decisions based on anger, resentment, or other emotions can have long-term consequences. For example, if you're upset with your spouse and decide to fight for full custody of the children out of spite, it could backfire. Courts tend to favor decisions that are in the best interest of the child, and if your actions seem to be driven by emotions rather than rational thinking, it may negatively affect your custody arrangement or other aspects of the divorce. Instead, try to approach the situation with a level head. Consider your goals, your children's needs, and your long-term financial well-being. A divorce lawyer can help you keep things in perspective and provide the guidance needed to make the right decisions. 3. Ignoring the financial impact of divorce. Divorce has the potential to drastically alter your financial situation. Many people fail to fully consider how the division of assets, spousal support, child support, and other financial elements will impact their future. If you are not fully prepared, you could find yourself struggling to adjust to a new lifestyle. One of the biggest mistakes is failing to understand California's community property laws, which require that most property and assets acquired during the marriage be split 50-50ths. This includes everything from real estate to retirement accounts. If you don't have a clear understanding of your assets and liabilities, you might end up agreeing to a settlement that isn't in your best interest. Before filing for divorce, take inventory of your assets and liabilities. Work with your lawyer to get a clear picture of your financial situation, and consider consulting a financial advisor to help you make sense of things. Whether it's spousal support or child support, understanding how the court may divide these financial responsibilities can give you a clearer picture of what to expect. 4. Underestimating the complexity of custody disputes. For parents going through a divorce, child custody is often one of the most contentious and difficult areas to navigate. However, one of the biggest mistakes people make is underestimating the complexity of custody disputes. Many assume that the court will automatically favor one parent over the other, or that they'll easily win primary custody. The reality is more complicated. In Los Angeles, child custody is determined based on the best interests of the child. The court will look at various factors, including the child's relationship with both parents, the parent's ability to co-parent, and the child's emotional and physical needs. If one parent tries to manipulate the situation by making false accusations or attempting to limit the other parent's time with the child, it can backfire and damage their credibility in the eyes of the court. If you're involved in a custody dispute, it's critical to understand that the court will make its decision based on evidence, not emotions. Work with your attorney to gather necessary documentation, such as parenting plans, school records, and other evidence that supports your ability to care for your child. The goal is to present a case that prioritizes the child's best interests. 5. Failing to plan for post-divorce life. While it's easy to get caught up in the details of the divorce process itself, many individuals fail to adequately prepare for life after the divorce is finalized. Divorce isn't just about ending the marriage, it's about transitioning to a new chapter in life, which involves significant emotional, financial, and logistical changes. Failing to plan for these changes can lead to feelings of confusion, stress, and regret in the months and years that follow the divorce. Start by thinking about what life will look like after the divorce. Do you need to find a new place to live? How will you support yourself and your children financially? If you have shared children, what arrangements will you need to make for custody and visitation? Consider your long-term financial goals, including retirement planning and managing any debts incurred during the marriage. Planning for post-divorce life isn't just about financial stability, though. You also need to focus on your emotional well-being. Divorce can take a toll on your mental health, so it's important to have a support system in place, whether it's family, friends, or a therapist. By preparing yourself for life after divorce, you can make a smoother transition and set yourself up for a brighter future. Conclusion. Divorce is never easy, but by avoiding these common mistakes, you can help ensure that the process goes as smoothly as possible. By hiring an experienced family law lawyer in Los Angeles, maintaining a clear perspective on the emotional and financial aspects of the divorce, and planning for the future, you can make informed decisions that protect your interests and pave the way for a better future post-divorce. Remember, if you're looking to find a divorce lawyer in Los Angeles, choose someone who not only understands the legal aspects of family law, but also has the experience and sensitivity to handle the nuances of divorce in Los Angeles. With the right legal guidance, you'll be in a better position to navigate this challenging time with confidence and clarity.